7 vitamins that keep your legs strong after 60. Stop cramps, wobbles and weakness naturally. Imagine waking up, stretching your legs and feeling steady. You walk to the kitchen without holding the wall, no wobble, no sudden cramps, no fear of falling. For many of us after 60, that sounds like a small miracle, but really it's just our body asking for a little help. The truth is most leg weakness or night cramps we blame on old age are not just age. They're often signs that our body is low in certain vitamins and minerals, nutrients that power our muscles, nerves and bones. Today we'll talk about 7 essential vitamins that help older adults regain leg strength, reduce cramps and restore confidence when walking, and we'll do it safely. No magic pills, no overnight promises, just science, experience and balance. As we age, our muscles lose fibers, our bones lose density, and our nerves slow their signals. Medications, less sunlight, smaller meals, all of these can quietly drain our nutrient stores. That's why even people who eat well can still feel weak in the legs or get painful calf cramps at night. But don't worry, we're not here to scare you. We're here to understand how timing, balance, awareness can make all the difference. Timing. When you eat or take a supplement matters. Some vitamins absorb better with food, some need sunlight, others work best earlier in the day. Balance. More isn't always better. Too much calcium or potassium can be just as harmful as too little. Awareness. Listen to your body. Leg cramps, tingling or fatigue are messages, not just old age. And always check with your doctor before adding new supplements, especially if you're on medication. With that in mind, let's walk through the 7 key nutrients that keep your legs strong and steady. If you've felt unsteady, weak or tired when standing, vitamin D may be running low. We often think of it as a bone vitamin, but it's also a muscle activator. It helps your muscles contract properly and your nerves fire efficiently. As we age, our skin produces less vitamin D from sunlight and we spend more time indoors. That combination leads to deficiency, and with it comes slower reactions and more balance problems. You can get vitamin D from salmon, egg yolks, fortified milk, and a bit of safe sunlight each day. Many doctors suggest 800 to 2,000 international units daily for seniors, but always confirm what's right for you. When your vitamin D levels rise, you'll often notice stronger legs, steadier walking and fewer "I almost tripped" moments. Think of calcium as the framework that lets your muscles and bones work as a team. Every time you stand, climb stairs or take a walk, calcium helps your muscles contract smoothly. But here's the catch. If you don't get enough calcium, your body starts pulling it from your bones, weakening them over time. That's why seniors are more prone to fractures or back compression. Where to get it? Dairy, yogurt, tofu, sardines, leafy greens or fortified plant milk. Most people over 60 need about 1,200 milligrams daily, ideally split across meals. And remember, calcium works best with vitamin D, like dance partners. One helps absorption, the other builds structure. Together they form a foundation for stable legs and better posture. Have you ever felt pins and needles in your feet? Or maybe you've lost your sense of balance a little when walking on uneven ground? That could be a sign of low vitamin B12, which protects your nerve endings. B12 creates the insulation that helps messages travel quickly from your brain to your legs. Without it, the signal slows, leading to numbness, weakness, or even dizziness. As we get older, our stomach produces less acid, which makes it harder to absorb B12 from food, especially if you take acid-reducing drugs or diabetes medication. Good sources: beef, eggs, dairy, chicken, or fortified cereals. If your energy is low or you notice tingling, ask your doctor to check your B12 levels. Sometimes a simple B12 supplement or injection can make a world of difference. Faster reflexes, steadier walking, sharper focus. If this video has been helpful so far, please take a second to like it and subscribe to the channel. It helps this information reach more people who might be struggling silently with the same problems. We're all in this together, growing older, but staying stronger. Few things are worse than a midnight leg cramp that jolts you awake. That twisting pain, often linked to low magnesium. Magnesium helps your muscles relax after contracting. Without enough, muscles spasm, nerves misfire, and rest becomes restless. The tricky part is that many blood pressure or heart medications, and even stress, can quietly drain your magnesium stores. Add more magnesium through spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, oats, or even a bit of dark chocolate. A safe supplement range is 200 to 400 milligrams per day, but check with your doctor first, especially if you have kidney issues. Once balanced, you may notice your legs feel lighter, your sleep deeper, and those awful nighttime cramps fading away. Potassium keeps the electricity in your muscles flowing smoothly. It helps nerves fire properly and keeps fluids balanced in your cells. When potassium is low, your muscles feel tight, stiff, or twitchy, especially after walking or climbing stairs. Many seniors lose potassium if they take diuretics, water pills for blood pressure. Good sources: bananas, avocados, oranges, sweet potatoes, spinach, and white beans. If your doctor says your kidneys are healthy, these foods are a safe, natural way to stay balanced. But don't self-supplement potassium without guidance. Too much can strain your heart. Keep it from food first. You'll notice more stamina, fewer spasms, and smoother steps. Vitamin K doesn't get much attention, but it's the traffic controller for calcium, directing it into bones, not arteries. Without K, calcium can build up in the wrong places, making joints stiff and bones brittle. There are two types: K1 in leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli, K2 in fermented foods like sauerkraut, natto, or egg yolks. It's powerful but must be handled carefully, especially if you take blood thinners like warfarin, because vitamin K affects how they work, so talk to your doctor first. When vitamin K is balanced, you'll feel stronger legs and more flexible joints, like your body finally moving in sync again. Ever notice that a short walk leaves you unusually tired, or that your legs ache for days afterward? That might be a sign of low vitamin B6, which your body uses to turn food into energy and repair muscle tissue. It also supports neurotransmitters, chemicals that control coordination and balance. You can get B6 from chicken, salmon, potatoes, bananas, and chickpeas. Many seniors benefit from 1.5 to 2 milligrams daily, either from diet or a multivitamin. When levels improve, people often say, "I just feel lighter, like my legs respond when my brain tells them to move." That's not magic, that's simply your body working efficiently again. Eat a mix of colourful foods, greens, proteins, healthy fats. Get sunlight and gentle movement daily. Check nutrient levels yearly with your doctor. Avoid over-supplementing without medical advice, skipping meals or relying only on processed foods, ignoring early signs like cramps, tingling, or fatigue. Watch your balance and energy after walking, how your sleep feels, restful or restless, any new medication that may change nutrient absorption. 1. Should I take all 7 vitamins together? Not necessarily. Start with what you might be lacking most, often D, B12 or magnesium, and check with your doctor first. 2. Can I get everything from food? Ideally, yes, but absorption decreases with age, so small supplements may help. 3. Are cramps always from low magnesium? Not always. Dehydration, medication, or circulation issues can also play a role. 4. What if I'm on blood thinners? Avoid vitamin K supplements unless your doctor specifically approves it. 5. How soon will I feel a difference? Usually within a few weeks of consistent intake, though it depends on your health and diet. This video is for educational purposes only. It does not replace professional medical advice. If you take prescription medicine or have chronic illness, talk to your healthcare provider before changing your diet or supplements. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps this channel reach more seniors who deserve to walk strong and pain-free. Share it with a friend who might need this reminder that aging doesn't mean losing strength, it just means learning how to support it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It really helps us reach more people.